What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about XRP really quick. Actually, I'm not going to take a drink. Why would I do that while I'm recording a video? Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. We're going to be talking about Ripple partners and how they partnered with MasterCard. I think this is pretty big because while we understand the banking side of things and we understand the impact that XRP will have, what we believe will have within the banking area. You see that partnership, Ripple with MasterCard, Ripple with banks, Ripple with our flow of money. And what happens? You now have XRP inserting in to create normal transactions, cheap, fast, efficient transactions that we all want to see. So this is big news. It's absolutely huge news for XRP, for Ripple, and for the future of where XRP can be. As an investor, we're looking at the price, but obviously, as a part of XRP, we want to see things flourish overall within the ecosystem. So, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to, not subscribe, you wanted to join or start trading with Margex, feel free to click that link down below. The link is in the description where you can trade up to 100x on leverage on Margex. So if you're interested in that, and up to 50x for XRP if you want to. It's up to 100x for Bitcoin and Ethereum and BNB. But I'm sure XRP will be up there as well as soon as, XRP shows. I don't even know what it has to show because BNB is pretty much right at the same, volume and market cap and all of that. Actually, XRP might see even more volume. But anyways, let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about this Ripple and MasterCard partnership, which you see here. They're saying 70-cent XRP incoming. I believe XRP is going to be worth a lot more than that. But short term, yeah, sure, we can call for 70 cents. But here it is, Ripple XRP market resurgence. So MasterCard recently announced a partnership with Ripple, emphasizing their collaboration on several innovative initiatives. On the one hand, MasterCard has chosen Ripple as a new partner in its efforts to explore and capture the expanding market for central banking digital currencies. This partnership is a part of MasterCard's broader strategies to capitalize on growing interest in CBDCs globally. This is huge. Just understanding this portion is absolutely huge because there is a lot of interest in CBDCs. And as you see, Ripple, that's connected with banks like Santander and like PNC and like foreign banks, you're looking at that, understanding that you're looking for a different way to transact rather than through fiat currency and using whatever your CBDC is, or potentially bringing XRP within there. So Ripple and MasterCard are also collaborating to introduce cryptocurrency debit cards. These cards are designed to allow customers to make purchases at retail establishments using XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency. This initiative aims to bring the convenience of traditional debit cards to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, thereby significantly benefiting the XRP ecosystem. This strategic alliance can significantly strengthen the utility and adoption of XRP, which could push its price towards an expected mark of 70 cents. Ripple's XRP has recovered impressively, recording a 47.78% increase over a year. So we obviously understand that XRP could impact from this or benefit from this greatly. Now, is it 100% certain that that will be the case? No, it's not 100% certain, but this does give you the mindset or the thought process that this could be a thing. And with that thought, brings up actual real things that could happen, which would be XRP, being implemented within this, being implemented within banks and implemented within this partnership. That would be obviously huge to be able to have debit cards where you're spending XRP and, moving fast, going through quick transactions and not have to go through the actual banking system per se, but go through Ripple system, which is technically through the banking system as well. So it would be a faster way of doing it, more efficient way of doing it, and hopefully costs less for the bank and costs less for anybody else that's really spending money or holding money or using money. So honestly, this is really, really big for the crypto industry. This is why I believe XRP will be number one. XRP will be more used or more usable than Ethereum, more usable than Bitcoin, and more usable than everything else in the market. And why I truly believe that this will be worth $1 trillion or more, probably way more than $1 trillion market cap, because of just everything that XRP and the parent company Ripple is included in. I mean, if you don't know, I have other videos breaking down those things, but let's look at XRP right now. I want to go through and see what the market is doing pretty good today. But if we sort this by market cap and we scroll down here, we're going to see XRP that's currently slightly, or I guess flat on the day, but slightly up for the last hour. So let's look at XRP. Again, up or down or flat 0.00% on the day. It's pretty much at 60 cents. It's at 60 cents, 60.45 cents, which we're seeing a $32.6 billion market cap and $1.2 billion worth of volume. The volume market cap ratio is 3.69%. The one thing that we do worry about, and I bring this up all the time, is the overall circulating supply and how much gets introduced every month. It has this natural kind of inflation, right, to it, to where you're looking at maybe a 2% of the overall 2% of the overall supply that continues to be added. You're looking at, well, technically it's 1% of the overall supply, but 2% compared to what the circulating supply is now. So it's giving you that percentage until you get to the max supply, unless they decide to burn off the escrow. And I don't know if that will be the case. I don't know if they will just continue to add it for years to come. But no matter what, this still will have a ton of success and a ton of use. And even looking at it as $60 billion market cap, I think it can be so much more than that. Even looking at it at $100 billion market cap, I think it can be so much more than that. Again, I believe it could be $1 trillion, $2 trillion, $10 trillion, that this could be worth. Literally, sky's the limit. Honestly, it just makes me excited, really, just thinking about it. So let me know your thoughts about this. Is this big news, seeing that you have a partnership with MasterCard, Ripple and MasterCard together? Do you think this is going to have some sort of implementation within, XRP? Obviously, they already talked about, the debit cards and being able to pay in XRP. That would be huge. Brought to you by MasterCard, right? I feel like the connection, the partnership is big and it means a lot. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to start trading on Margex, up to 50x leverage on XRP, up to 100x leverage on things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.